Today we have the Hot Wheels Boulevard Mix 2 case unboxing, and I will tell you from the start, I am very excited about the new Bugatti Chiron and of course the Porsche 911. Number 125, Meyers Manx. This is a dune buggy that was released last year and it premiered in this Boulevard segment having the number 108. It hasn't been long ago and I know many collectors don't enjoy to see the same casting in the same segment even if it has different color variations. Well, we want that, but for wanted castings. Brands like Porsche, the new acquired licensed Ferrari, Lamborghini, some JDMs, German cars in general, American muscle and others like that. It looks very fun as a casting, but I'm not sure if it fits in a segment like Boulevard, but I guess there have been others worse in the past. Number 122, 2016 Bugatti Chiron. Now, this one can be released as often as possible, I would not mind at all. It's such a cool and fun casting that I would collect each color variation Hot Wheels would release. We know that Chiron is a high-performance hypercar produced in a limited number, and of course is limited considering the price of one of these is somewhere around $3.5 million. In the Hot Wheels series has been released in 2019 with very nice variations in the main lines, even more interesting ones as a premium in the Exotic Envy set seen on this channel in the case unboxing, a Car Culture 2-pack paired with the Bugatti Veyron, its predecessor, and even a mystery model in Series 3. I enjoy how this black looks on it, but I hope they are going to replicate more colors from the real world as there are some cool ones out there. Number 124, Datsun 510 Wagon. I saw collectors mentioning how the Datsun is going to fly off the pegs, but then you meet a collector like myself that would choose the Chiron, and I guess it's great for variety, right? That is what Boulevard mixes are all about, something for everyone. This was released also in Boulevard, but the old Boulevard segment all the way back in 2013, then the next year in mainlines. A very known JDM casting, it has been a super treasure hunt 2 times, a convention piece multiple times actually, Legends Tour, NFT and other premium sets. If you haven't been a collector since this one was released and want to get all of them, your wallet is going to suffer a lot, as some pieces go for very high prices. Probably not this variation, but pick it up, you can never know what the next big thing is going to be. Number 121, Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7. I was so happy about this one when the set was leaked online, and my thoughts now, just like then, it looks great in black with the red rims and the Carrera logo, just amazing little piece. It has been released in 2023 in the main lines with some very simple stock colors. It actually never had any crazy decals and graphics on it so far, and it has been part of one premium set before, the Hammer Drop, the first Car Culture set this year, a case unboxing also available on this channel. This is probably the best variation of this Carrera RS, and I'm sure it's going to fly off the pegs in the stores, so make sure to be there on time to get it. Number 123, 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 302. American muscle at its finest, this Mustang has been released a long time ago in the Racing Muscle, a premium set in 2012. It has been part of many cool series since then, a super treasure hunt, a convention piece, car culture premium, even a team transport release, Fast and Furious, it had them all. This year, there is also a mainline variation that looks exactly like this one, orange base color and black engine hood, but with the obvious basic to premium differences, so you might want to get them both and compare them yourself and check if the premium series deserve the extra dollars. If you want to keep on comparing Hot Wheels cars, then you can subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications about future uploads. You can also keep on watching by clicking on any of these videos. Thank you for watching and happy collecting!